First, area. What is an area? The amount of surface enclosed by a closed figure is called its area. Area is measured in square units. Units for measuring area are square millimeter, square centimeter, square decimeter, square meter, square decameter, square hectometer, square kilometer. In this, square meter is the standard unit. Standard unit for measuring area is square meter. We can write like this also, meter square, square meter or meter square. The relation among these units are 100 square millimeters, 1 square centimeter, 100 square centimeters, 1 square decimeter, 100 square decimeters, 1 square meter, 100 square meters, 1 square decameter, 100 square decameters, 1 square hectometer, 100 square hectometers, 1 square kilometer. This is the relation among these units of area. Area of the rectangle. This is a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal in rectangle. These are one pair of opposite sides. These are another pair of rectangle. And all angles are equal, that is 90 degree. This long side is called length. This short side is called breadth. So length is denoted by the letter L, breadth is denoted by the letter B. So here also L, here also B. Area of rectangle. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. That is L into B. LB. This is area. Area of the rectangle A is equal to length into breadth. Where here L is length, B is breadth, and A is area. This is a main formula. From this main formula, we can get auxiliary formulas also. Auxiliary formulas. L is equal to A by B, area by breadth. B is equal to area by length. These two are auxiliary formulas. Let us say few examples. If length and breadth, if length and breadth of a rectangle are 15 centimeters and 8 centimeters respectively, then find its area. Here given respectively means first length, first breadth, next, like this we have to take. So length L is equal to 15 centimeters, breadth B is equal to 8 centimeters. So formula for finding area of a rectangle is L into B or LB. 15 8s are 120 square centimeters. These are centimeters, so we have to write square centimeters or 120 centimeters square. This is the area of rectangle. Example 2. If area of rectangle, is 60 square meters, if area of a rectangle is 60 square meters and length is 12 meters and length is 12 meters, then find its breadth. We know the auxiliary formula. Breadth B is equal to area by length. So this is the formula. Here given area is 60 square meters, length is 12 meters. Therefore, breadth B is equal to area 60 by length 12. B is equal to 12 ones are 12 fives are 5 meters. So this is the breadth of the given rectangle. Next, area of the square. This is a square. All sides are equal and all angles also equal. That is 90 degree. If a side is denoted by S or A, these all are equal. So area of the square is equal to side into side. Side into side means S into S. S into S means S square. This is the area of square. Where here S is equal to side. A is area. And also we can write A is equal to A square. Here A is length of any side. Let us see one example. If side of a square is 15 centimeters, then find its area. Find its area. We know the formula for finding area. A is equal to S into S. So 15, here given side S is equal to 15 centimeters. So 15 is 225 square centimeters. Area of this given square is 225 square centimeters. Here is an important example. How many tiles with the dimensions 12 centimeters and 5 centimeters will be needed to fit a region whose length and breadth are 144 centimeters and 100 centimeters respectively? How many tiles we needed? Here is a formula. Number of tiles needed or required. Tiles needed, it is equal to area of region by area of one tile or tile. So this is the formula. Area of region. The area of length and breadth is given here. Length of region is equal to 144 centimeters, and breadth of region is equal to 100 centimeters. So area of region is equal to length into breadth. So length into breadth. We can write LB by, this is tiles small, that's why L by B. This is capital L, this is capital B. 1 144 in 144 into 100 by length of tile is equal to 12 centimeters. Breadth of tile is equal to 5 centimeters. So this is small l, small b. If we substitute in this formula, we can get answer directly. 12 into 5. 12 ones are 12, 12s are 144. 5 ones are 5 2s 0. 12 2s are 24. Keep 1 0. 240 tiles required. Therefore, number of tiles required is equal to 240. Friends, area and perimeter. In this area and perimeter, we are going to learn area पे parallelogram, area पे triangle, area पे rhombus, circumference of a circle and rectangular paths. Let us learn one by one. First one, area पे parallelogram. The area पे parallelogram is equal to the product of its base and corresponding height. To understand this, let us observe a figure. This is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. Two pairs of opposites parallel and also equal. So that's why this is a parallelogram. A, B, C, D. Area पे parallelogram A is equal to the product of its base and height. This is a base and corresponding height. Base and corresponding height. This is height. A is equal to base into height. So in short, A is equal to BH. To understand this, let us observe an example. Height of the base of the parallelogram B is equal to 9 centimeters. Height is equal to 7 centimeters. Then find its area. So area A is equal to BH. Base is 9 centimeters. Height is 7 centimeters. 9 sevens are 63 square centimeters. So this is the area of parallelogram with the given measurements. Second, area of a triangle. The area of a triangle is equal to of the product of its base and corresponding height. To understand this, here we have an example. This is a triangle ABC. In this triangle, this BC is called base. This altitude is called height. This is height. So area of triangle A is equal to half of base into height. In short, A is equal to half BH. Using this formula, let us observe an example. If the base of a triangle, is 20 centimeters and height 18 centimeters, then find its area. So to find area of a triangle, we have a formula. A is equal to half BH. Half into base is given here. B is equal to 20 centimeters and height is equal to 18 centimeters. So these are given 20 into 18. 2 ones, 2 nines. 2 nines are 18, 0. 180 square centimeters. 180 square centimeters. This is the area of the triangle with the given measurements. Area of a rhombus. The area of a rhombus is equal to the product of its diagonals. To understand this, let us observe a figure. This is a rhombus A, B, C, D. In this rhombus, this AC and DB or BD are called diagonals, D1, D2. So area of rhombus A is equal to half D1 into D2. In short, A is equal to half D1, D2. Using this formula, let us observe an example. If D1 is equal to 28 centimeters, D2 is equal to 5 centimeters, then find its area. So to find its area, we use the formula of D1 D2. Here D1 is equal to 28 centimeters, D2 is equal to 5 centimeters. A is equal to, now we have to substitute these values in this formula. 28 into 5, 2 ones, 2 fours, 14 fives are 70 square, these are centimeters, 70 square centimeters. This is the method of finding the area of a rhombus. Circumference of a circle. What is the circumference of a circle? The length around the circle is called circumference of a circle. It is denoted by the letter C. Before discussing circumference, let us know more about a circle. This is a circle. This is a center. The length around the circle is called circumference C. This is a center O. Joining a center to any point on circle is called radius, we know. And the chord which going through center is called diameter. So this is the largest chord in center in this circle. We know diameter is twice the radius. D is equal to 2r. Or radius is half of the diameter. R is equal to D by 2. And the approximate value of this circumference to the diameter of a circle, that is C by D, is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14 approximately. This is a constant. It is denoted by the letter pi. Pi is equal to C by D. So from this main formula, we can write this C is equal to phi D. C is equal to phi D. Or C is equal to pi. We already known D is equal to 2R. 2R. So we have to write this numerical term in front of the variable 2 pi r. So 2 pi r. C is equal to 2 pi r. C is equal to phi d or C is equal to 2 pi r. Finally, C is equal to phi d or C is equal to 2 pi r. These are formulas to find circumference of a circle, where Pi is a constant, that is 22 by 7 or 3.14, and d is a diameter, and r is a radius, and c is circumference. To understand finding circumference clearly, here we have two examples. Let us observe. Find the circumference of a circle with the diameter 10 centimeters. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Circumference C is equal to 5d if given diameter. C is equal to phi is given 3.14 and d is also given 10 centimeters. So these are given. Phi 3.14 into d 10. We have substituted given values in this formula. To multiply a number decimal by 10, shift the decimal to the right by one place. So 31.24, these are centimeters. So 31.24 centimeters. This is the circumference. Next, second example. Find the circumference of a circle with the radius 14 centimeters. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. If given radius, we have to use the formula C is equal to 2 pi r. Here given pi is equal to 22 by 7 and r is equal to 14 centimeters. So these are given. So that's why we have to substitute these given values in this formula. Pi 22 by 7 into r 14 centimeters. Now we have to simplify. 7 ones are 7 twos. C is equal to 2 into 22 into 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8. C is equal to 88 centimeters. This is the method to find the circumference of the circle. Rectangular paths. What are rectangular paths? The paths which have rectangular shape are called rectangular paths. To understand, here we have two rectangles. These are paths called rectangular paths. Let us know how to find area of a rectangular path. Here given an example. A plot is 60 meter long and 40 meter wide. A path 3 meter wide is to be constructed around the plot. Find the area of the path. First, what is given, we have to identify. A plot A plot is 60 meter long and 40 meter wide. So this is the plot. (60 meter) long, so we can call this small l, length, and 40 meter wide, this is we can call breadth, small b. So this is a rectangle ABCD, and also given the width, wide means width 3 meters. The width of the path is 3 meter is given. So using this we can find the area of the path. First, length of the inner rectangle, length of the inner rectangle ABCD, L, inner rectangle ABCD, L is equal to 60 meters is given, and breadth of the inner rectangle ABCD B is also given 40 meters. And also now we can find area of this inner rectangle. How to find the area of this rectangular path? Rectangular path is equal to rectangular path, this is equal to the area of the outer rectangle minus area of the inner rectangle. That's why we have to find the area of this inner rectangle and area of this outer rectangle. Then we can find, we can get this rectangular path, area of the rectangular path. So area of the inner rectangle ABCD, A is equal to LB is equal to 60 into 40 is equal to 6 4s 24, 2 zeros square meters. So we can write meter square also, meter square. This is first answer. Next, width also given. Width of the path is equal to, width of the path W is equal to 3 meters. This is the area of ABCD, inner rectangle ABCD, or ABCD inner rectangle. So outer rectangle, breadth of the first length, of the outer rectangle we can indicate A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. to identify easy. Length of the outer rectangle EFGH capital L is equal to this length of the inner rectangle plus left side 3 meter width, right side 3 meter width. So 2W, we have to add 2W to find the length of the outer rectangle. So that is equal to 60 plus 2 into 3. 60 plus 6. 66 meters. So this is the capital L, length of the outer rectangle. Next, breadth of the outer rectangle is EFGH B is equal to breadth of the inner rectangle. This is the formula, B plus 2W, small b plus 2W. This is the formula. 40 plus small b, 40 plus 2 into 3, 40 plus width 3, so 2 3 6, 46 meters. So area, now area of the outer rectangle EFGH A is equal to capital L into capital B, LB 66 into 46 is equal to 66 into 46. 46 into 66, 6 6 are 36, 6 4 are 24, 27, 6 7 2, 6 13, 10, 3, 3036, 3036 meter square. So this is the second answer. This is the first answer. So area of the path, therefore area of the path is equal to area of the outer rectangle, area of the EFGH minus area of the inner rectangle ABCD. Area of the outer rectangle 3036 minus area of the inner rectangle 2400. If we subtracted this, 6 minus, here we can do 3036 minus 2400, 6 3 6 636 meter square. So this is the width of the area of the rectangular path.